Capturing the Soul of Portraiture is our topic today on Luminar Coffee Break. Let's see what we can accomplish in 10 minutes or less, starting now. Hello, everyone, and welcome. So, let's just dive right in. So our topic is unveiling the soul of portraiture, capturing the essence of a subject. All right. Now, what I did was I came up with 5 tips for you. All right. Now, the first one is establish trust and connection. The second was master the art of observation. The third is utilizing lighting to enhance the mood. And then 4 is composition and framing. And then we'll finish off with post-processing with intent. All right. So now we're going to break these down a little bit further. Establishing trust and the connection. And I want to give you examples. So here we are with Alexis. We do this whole series. I'm at ClickCon. The showroom floor is about to end. They were kicking everybody out. We had 1 minute and 7 seconds to get these shots. So how do you capture the essence of that person in that time frame? Quickly ask questions. In her case here, she is a spokesperson for alopecia, which is the skin condition. So embrace it. Ask the difficult questions. When I saw this and I saw how confident she was, I knew that we can get these amazing shots just like this because her confidence was just incredible. In my mind, I saw this as a really cool black and white with the way the light was coming onto her. All I did to her was I said to her, give me 12 poses. Confident. You own this scene. Show me that confidence. And this is what she came up with. All right. Now, the second one is master the art of observation. This, here's my little buddy. This was how he started a photo shoot with him. His, I think, 3 other sisters, mother and father. He's the youngest, of course. And I looked and thought, you know what? If I don't win him over quick, we're going to have a really, really hard photo shoot because he'll act up. Mom will get upset. Dad will yell at him. The sisters will get involved. So instead, he and I bonded over something very similar. Sisters. We talked about our sisters, and I told him about my older sister and gave him a little funny story. This is what he did. Here is the final image I got from him because he was relaxed and we just had a great time. Utilizing lighting to enhance the mood. Now, this one I really like. Look very, very close. Let me get out of the way. We're in an alleyway. We have the smoke in the background, the blue coming through. Red and blue, to me, represents, in the United States, a police officer. The sirens of a police car. The series that we shot was the Assassin series. So what I put into his mind was that you were the assassin. You were always the hunter. Now you're being hunted. You have to save this woman. And that's what his job was. So to fit the mood with that, this is where lighting came in. We wanted to look more like a cinematic type scene. And it worked with the blue gels and the red in the smoke. Now, let's go a step further. Composition and framing. You've always heard people say, don't center your subject right in the center, or put your subject right in the center. Don't center them there. Move them off to the side. Here, for this particular image, it works. So, and I've said this a million times, learn the rules like a pro so you can break them as an artist. For this particular image, she's bold. She's a part of the Assassin series. She's intense. Putting her right in the center of the frame speaks volume to this particular image. Because once again, I'm going for that over the top, very bold, very confident type look. Her in the center definitely plays into that. All right. So post-processing with intention. Here's that image again of Alexis. So this is what we shot. This isn't what I envisioned. So when I saw her looking like this, I liked the shot, but in my mind, I visualized her in a black and white scene, much like this. Look at this. All right. To me, with intent, the editing here with intent shows that I wanted this to be more of a dramatic type image. This is fine, but to me, this brings out her soul and just her overall. All right. So here we are once again with the quick 5 lessons: connection, observation, utilizing the lighting, framing, and then when you're done, post-processing with intention. All right. Now, here's what's really cool. Let me get out of the way for you. We have an assignment for you. All right. So here's the assignment. Find a willing subject for your assignment and build a connection with them. Choose a location and lighting setup that complements the mood you want to convey. Engage your subject in conversation, encouraging them to open up and share their experiences. Observe their body language and facial expressions, capturing the authentic moments that reveal their true essence. Then we're going to experiment with different compositions and angles to tell a compelling story. In fact, here it is, I'll repeat it again. So we'll do the experimenting with different compositions and angles to tell a compelling visual story. And then in post-processing, carefully adjust color, tones to enhance the mood and the emotions. Then when you're done, reflect on the image, seek feedback with people you trust, then analyze how well you did and capture the soul of your subject. Embrace the learning process and let your passion for portraiture guide you on the journey of unveiling the essence of your subject. So here it is. Take a quick screenshot and you'll have it like this, and we're set. So that was it. And I hope that sheds a little light on what we're working on here. Now, by the way, for the assignment, in this case, normally I would say grab a family member or a friend and do an assignment like this. But for this particular assignment, you got to either try to find somebody you don't know a whole lot about, because you're trying to build your communication skills. You're trying to build ways to pull that essence out of a person. If it's somebody you already know, they may not take, let me rephrase it. If it's a family member, they may not let you dive into those areas with them. Maybe a friend or a friend of a friend will give you a little bit more of a challenge to pull that essence out of them. All right. Well, guys, if you're here watching the show live, please stick around for the Ask Me Anything segment. For everyone else, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you at the next coffee break.